All right, guys, it is Friday. Yay! Day 5 of our blueprints. You guys have done an awesome job this week. Yeah, I'm just so proud of you. All right, we can do this. And today's a little bit shorter because it's Friday and we're not going to spell out all of our irregular words. All right, here we go. We're going to go a little bit quicker through this. We have our theme concept, which is some friendships are extra special. We saw that in our story this week with the surprise family with a special friendship between the boy and the hen, as well as those little baby ducklings that formed a special friendship as well. All right, our strategy focus is to question, and our skill was comparing and contrasting. Again, let's take a look what questioning means. Let's ask some questions to find out more. My question is, all right, our phonemic awareness, we're going to get our stretchers ready. Get them ready, get those fists together. Are they touching each other? Yep, get them ready. All right, here we go. First word, state. Good job. Match. Next word, trip. Next word, patch. Last word, hat. All right, we're going to zip through our suffixes. Here we go. Suffix, sound, full. Good job. Meaning, full of. Suffix, sound, meaning, in a way that is. Suffix, sound, making that E sound, meaning, full of. Suffix, sound, as, meaning, more than one or somebody else. All right, you guys have done such a good job practicing these. Guess what? Zip, 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 zip. I'm skipping by them today. You've already done it for 4 days. I feel like you're pros at it. All right, we're just going to be reading our words today. We're not going to spell them. Here we go. Word, enough. Word, together. Word, watched. Word, there. Word, kind. Word, mother. Word, loved. Word, built. Word, everywhere. Word, taught. Word, walk. Word, water. Great job. All right, let's do some sounds now. Sound, sound. All right, you should have done oi and oi for both of those. Sound, sound. Again, that one, it should have been aw, and this one should have been aw, our new sounds for this week. Sound, 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 sound. All right, here we go. Day 5. Look how quick we're going. We're already at 3 minutes, 30 seconds. We are zippy. All right, sound, sound, blend, sound. That GE makes the J sound. Blend. Good job. Edge. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. Word, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. Word, sound, sound, blend, sound. That was our first syllable. Fall, sound, sound, blend. Second syllable is low, sound. Be dut or ed, so let's blend it together. We have all, low, duh. Followed. Let's clap it out. Fall, low. Follow would be 2, but if we did fall, low, duh, that would be 3. Good job. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound. So that was our first syllable. Gar, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend. We have garden. Put it together. garden. Clap it out. Garden. Nice job. 2 syllables between the R and the D. You did it, guys. You are superstars. We did our blueprints in under 5 minutes and 30 seconds. We did 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Awesome, possum. Have a great weekend. Good job getting all your work done today, and I hope you enjoy your weekend.